Hello and welcome to an Affinity Revolution tutorial. My name is Ezra Anderson, and today we're going to learn how to add new, incredible fonts to Affinity Photo for iPad. To install new fonts in Affinity Photo, the first thing you'll need to do is go to the App Store and download Font Manager. This app is completely free and will help you to install new fonts onto your iPad. After you've installed Font Manager, you can go to dafont.com. Dafont.com is the best place to find free fonts. Once you're on this website, just search for a font that you want to use. After you find one that you like, you can press Download. Once you get to a screen like this, you can click on Open in Font Manager. If this option isn't available, then you can press on More and select Font Manager. Once you're on this screen, just press OK. At the top left of your screen, you can tap on the font you want to install, and then at the top right, press Install. Then we'll just press Allow, and then Install. On this screen, our iPad is giving us a warning to make sure we're not downloading something that will give our iPad a virus. Fortunately, dafont.com is completely trustworthy, so you can press Install. Now our font has been installed, and we can head over to Affinity Photo. If you already had Affinity Photo open, make sure you restart it, otherwise the new font won't be accessible. After restarting Affinity Photo, we'll then select the Artistic Text tool. Then we just need to tap and drag so we can begin typing. Before we begin typing though, let's change our font to the new font we just downloaded. Now we can begin typing with the new font that we installed. And there you have it! Adding new fonts to Affinity Photo for iPad is as easy as that.